up, ladies? On this wall, give yourself some angle and just pop the button. Whoa, 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 whoa! Dave! What's up, dude? How's it going?
Hey, good.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Let me get my bag here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Wasting no time, back in LA to bring some more epic content for these guys. Dude, good to see you.
Got your coffee?
You got me a coffee?
Yeah.
Best Uber ever. Let's get out of here. So you guys, I went to bed last night at 1 a.m. because it's New Year's. Went with my wife, Courtney. Love you, honey. So I had to leave this morning at 4 a.m. So I got 3 hours sleep. On the plane, there was a kid behind me that was playing that game where you kick the seat constantly.
Oh,
so give me a minute to. Hold on. What's this about? What is that?
It's a shift light.
A shift light in a steering wheel.
Integrated into a steering wheel.
So Eric makes steering wheels. Cartastic, look him up, he needs a steering wheel. He sent me one for my M3 like last March. And I did a review for him on Instagram. I'll show that video right here. It was a quick review, yes. DDE style.
Did you put an installation in there too?
No, you don't want to watch that. Hey guys, here's the plan. We're not just driving for no reason. We're gonna go see Kevin, who's gonna let me drive, I think. Let me drive this Aventador because I'm getting a little jealous. I mean, Damon's doors go up now, my doors don't go up. How funny it would be if I bought an Aventador to replace the R8 and just show Damon up. I am in control of the finances with DDE. I just learned that Eric here has never done a donut in his M3.
Yeah, Dave, you need to teach me how to do that donut.
I can show you how. You guys probably know, I've got an M3 at home, an E46 manual as well, and I do donuts in that thing day long.
Save the manual.
Save the manual. Yeah, from now on, I'm only gonna buy manuals. I'm gonna convert every car I buy to manual, even the Raptor. Arrived to Kevin's secret lair. Wait, let's keep it a secret lair. And I'm pumped. Kevin's an awesome guy. You guys know him as Cyber Garage in the vlogs.
Right there.
He's there waving. He's got the Aventador and looks like a Lancer. Without further ado, let's get started. I ain't spraying my hoodie. We have a little bit of smoke here.
Off cover.
Yeah, you guys see it on camera here. It looks a bit. Oh, there it is. There it comes. Look through when the hood's closed. We need more drama here. Can you see it? Oh man. I swear there was, oh, there it is. Oh. You see it? Dude, vape life, your car vapes. I noticed a small syntax error for you programmers out there. What happened there? What's the story behind that?
My brother printed and, well, obviously he's not American, so he's better than
I love it. I love the, that's DD style right there. A solution for everything is a bit of black tape. So this is your old track car?
Yeah.
Wow.
That man's not gonna fit.
You'll fit in there, Dave.
It's pretty tight. This is a small seat. Look at the size of this seat. Is the passenger the same size?
Yep.
Man, this is Kevin's Mira edition. Not so cold start, commencing. Ooh. What was that you pressed?
Auto on and off.
What, I had a stoplight?
Yeah.
No.
It is stop and go.
So this has the auto turn off, like the engine turns off when you stop to save fuel in the 6.2? 6.5 liter V12. Well, at least they're going green.
Save some gas.
I drove an Aventador, one of my first supercars ever, in Vegas in crazy traffic with one of Houston's cars, and I was a little bit, I don't want to say timid, but timid.
And not the best car to drive around.
Oh, the clutch hits you like an ex-wife. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so rough. Kevin's Aventador. First of all, thank you for the trust. It's an experience. It's super rough, but in a good way. Like the shifts kind of push you around, the bumps. I'm enjoying it. Maybe I should get an Aventador. These are cheap, aren't they? Dude, thanks for letting me drive your car. You can tell I'm cautious when it's not mine.
Yeah, you drive too slow.
How was your coffee?
Great. Give me energy.
Yeah. Here's a fun fact for you guys. I used to work for Starbucks. And right now, if they let me, I can make the best foam, the best cappuccino you've ever seen in your life. Now, do you think they'll let me make one? Not if they don't want to get fired. Oh, there's the sun. But don't be deceived, it is freezing. I've got 2 hoodies on right now. By the way, guys,
It's warmer.
if you want some DDE merch, shopdde.com. Kevin's rocking the limited snow camo hoodie, which is currently sold out, but we'll be back in about 2 weeks. Everybody has that hoodie but me, and I'll probably never have it. It's gonna be a 30-foot pull. I'll be like, blap, and we're yielding. Woo! Kevin, you got your plates on your car right now?
Yeah, it's okay.
You're legal?
No, whatever.
See what happens here, folks.
You're confident?
He likes the car.
Yeah, you don't like the car.
That's the guy.
Yeah, that's the car.
You should have a confrontation on camera.
Really?
No, no.
Yours is what, a V12, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I bet you.
This is a 6.5 liter? 6.5 liter V12.
No. I got my gear on. No. Absolutely not. No, I'm good. I want to admire it from afar, man. It's nice, dude. Very nice.
I have the urge to buy Eric something absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what yet. I'm gonna find something insane. And I bet you guys right now, he's so polite, he won't even say anything. He'll probably thank me for it. So let's see what we can find. What do you guys think? No. Hey Eric, I got you something from the gas station. Happy New Year, buddy. I got you a cooler.
A cooler?
Yeah.
Nice. So finally I got a box. So I can put my oil in there.
Hey, there you go. Hey.
Cool.
Yeah, keep it cool.
He actually found a use for it.
This is really for me?
Yeah, I bought it for you.
Oh man.
Hey, I got you, bro. What do you love about this car?
I love it because you know you're driving something special. Obviously the doors, right?
Yeah, the car
and
looks
the sound,
amazing.
The sound of it.
Back to the warehouse for shenanigans. The next level starting, but for now, you cool if I drive the M car?
No problem. Go beat it.
Oh, go beat it, he said.
Oh no, be gentle, be gentle.
That's not what I heard. That's not what they heard. You've already tuned it to stay into sport mode.
Yes, that's right.
But we can't have any TC ever.
Oh really?
Always off.
All right.
That's the routine.
Teach me how to drive it.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Feels good?
Yeah, feels good. Feels like an M3.
All right. Dang, my M3 beat a Lambo.
Oh really? Oh, we got it! What is this?
All the way.
Hug this wall, give yourself an angle, and just pop the clutch. Whoa! Dave! Yeah, there's enough room for that. It'll be good. Okay. Before all the crazy to happen, let's quickly talk about Kevin's Supra. This car, if you're a JDM lover, or even a car lover, you're gonna appreciate. It's essentially stock. I do see a Greddy front mount intercooler. Other than that, I'm pretty sure it's bone stock from the factory. The ironic part is that in the Fast and the Furious, the movie that kind of started my whole love for cars, there was a big debate about the Ferrari's worth more than the Supra, and they had that little race. Ironically, these cars in this condition are selling for upwards of $100,000, $120,000, whereas a 355 right now is probably 70 or 80. So it's a little ironic that the tables have turned.
I'm Kung Fu shit.
Guys, this is the best invention ever. If you've ever pulled e-brake in the car, this button here, it automatically stays in. You gotta pull it to go back out. And that way when you're pulling e-brakes around corners, it doesn't lock on you, killing everybody. First is the AE86. Eric, we need the music.
Oh, the theme song?
Yeah, I can't play because of the copyright law. It's up to you. Go.
And then what? If you say it, I don't know if I'm right. I don't know if I'm right.
You did it for the vlog.
Cut that, cut that, cut that, cut that.
We're not cutting anything. Kevin's up. Here we go. Up next is the RX-7. The rotaries, you're gonna do some rotaries. My jokes are awful. That's pretty good. What do you think? Kevin, that was amazing, but honestly, is your landlord gonna have an issue with that?
Landlord?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're talking to him.
Oh yeah. What? You actually own all this?
Yeah.
What? Wow.
That's ball.
I'm legitimately dizzy. That was amazing. And away she goes. Put away warm. Oh man.
The rubber. Dave, do you
I can taste the rubber compound.
Oh, it's standard? Uh-oh.
I'll figure it out.
It's stock.
All right, we are back at Alec's Choice House, who's not home right now, but he graciously left the R8 in a good spot for me, which is actually not that good because it's late, the car's cold, and his parents are
Sleeping.
I'm gonna wake them up. I'm sorry, oh god, oh god. Oh, tires are cold! Thanks TC, you got my back. How's it sound?
Sounds amazing.
Did you love it? B-Rogue, man!
Making the R8 great again.
B-Rogue, Brandon, you made the R8 great again. Honestly, I love this car. And whenever I get in it for the first time after a week or whatever, the smile's back on my face. You guys, go buy a manual V8 R8. Right now, prices are like super, for what you get, it's the best bang for the buck by far. If you're tall and have headroom, you can see, it's comfortable. Might be the perfect affordable supercar. And yes, it is a supercar. Boom. Back on Rodeo, where GDE belongs. So far, it's just you and me.
What should we do?
Here's the thing. We have slow-mo on this camera, because Damien gave me the upgrade. Thanks, bro. So we can make anything look sexy, including you. Check it out. Okay, so apparently, while I was away last time, I was pranked with Christmas wrap. So I think if you look close, actually, you know what? I don't have to think, I can see. There's freaking Scotch tape all over it. That's the mean tape.
That's the tape that...
That's packing tape. Oh, that's not cool.
It's not coming off in one piece.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, they use packing tape.
What's up, guys? Hey!
There's always family on the
Michigan
show.
loves you, baby. Michigan loves you, that's all. These guys are awesome.
Hey, we support you, DD.
Where's your DD merch? Oh, they're out. Eric, you stirred up the local. All right, just a little bit. Yeah! And that was a bonus.
Yeah, you're ready.
I thought, let's just pop by Rodeo, and all of a sudden everyone shows up. It's amazing. DD fans are the best fans in the whole world.
Dude, what's up, man?
Dave, nice to meet you.
How are you? I'm freaking out right now. I'm like
see you're in,
so crazy, blown away.
a-
911 Carrera GTS. It's a 2017. Got some nice center locks on there.
Oh yeah, so when you get a flat tire?
Yeah, it's really
no
nice.
one can
It's
change
really
it.
easy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a pump. Buttons! Press them all! Press it all! Press it! Did I do it right?
Hey, I think so. Yeah. I don't think you're wearing enough collared shirts though.
Active wing, exhaust, and that is auto on and off.
Yes,
We're
it
gonna
is.
save the environment in our sports car.
No, I'm not. I'm not saving any. Do it.
This one?
Yes. Pull it up and hold it up.
We're on a rush tonight, boys.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. Oh, it sounds good.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Especially with the top down and the pops.
Oh yeah. Top down, it's like 30 degrees out here. Now, what do we do on DDE when we have supercars or sports cars or any car really?
Oh, be
I'm gonna go down Rodeo.
Yeah.
So enjoy your time, boys.
Absolutely.
I'll see you in a few hours. How do we look? A couple of bros in a convertible Porsche.
Yeah,
You look so manly right
We're on
now.
a date right now. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Dude, I actually like really.
It's really good,
I'm
isn't
really
it?
enjoying
It's
this
good.
Porsche.
No, it's good. Yeah.
Do we need to add this to the list?
You should
Say
probably
it.
put this on the
Say
list.
it.
Put it on the
Add
list.
it. It's add. It's add.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Add it to the list.
Add it to the list.
There we go.
Rodeo. What's up, guys?
Oh yeah.
This thing's actually really fun.
It's so
But
good.
I don't want to go to jail legit, so we're not going to break any laws right now. But dude, thanks for this experience driving this car.
Absolutely, dude. Thank you so much
I
for
just
saying hi and
I just met him
everything.
at a gas station. I was like, let me drive that car. I want to drive it. Oh man, Eric, what are your thoughts? There's no time for seatbelts! There's no time for seatbelts! We're taking a break! Dude, thanks again for the drive.
Dude, absolutely.
Porsche.
Thank you so much, man. Thanks
You
for
almost say
saying
I'll do
hi
it.
and
Do it again.
everything.
Shake
Oh
my
yeah,
hand.
wait.
Fist bump.
Wait, no. We have to do the awkward.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you, man.
That's it for this one, you guys. Smash the subscribe button. Pick up some merch. I had 3 hours sleep last night. I've been away for 24 hours. This video is over, but stay tuned because tomorrow I'm stealing the Huracan. That's right. Peace. Oh, hi there. Dave Coulter here. President, CEO, MVP, MO. You know, 2019 is the year we're really gonna grow. I've invested in new technology. My pager. Oh, it's Damon. Sorry guys, one sec. Oh, I'm out of minutes. 2020 is gonna be our year. Stay tuned.